Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party. Remember when every streaming services seemed determined to turn movie night into a special social event? Amazon Prime Video's Watch Party was part of that trend. But these days, the feature has become much harder to find, and for many users, it appears to be unavailable together. If you're hoping to set up a watch party, start by opening Prime Video and signing into your account. Choose a movie or TV show you'd like to watch with friends, then look around the title page for watch party options. In the past, it was typically located near the watch list or playback controls. If the feature is available on your account, selecting it would allow you to create a session. Choose a display name and generate an invite link that others could use to join. However, many users have noticed that the option no longer appears, even supported content. If that's the case, you're probably not doing anything wrong. The feature has been phased out or restricted for many accounts and regions. As an alternative, I've seen plenty of people switch to browser extensions such as Teleparty, which can synchronize playback across multiple viewers and provide a similar shared viewing experience. May not be original Prime Video watch party, but it gets the job done when you're trying to watch together from different locations. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.